Thank you for joining me. Recently, a customer asked us to demonstrate rolled up pricing using Product Configurator. We're starting with items that are in a price class with quantity breaks. So our goal here is to order 55 two-color shirts and equal $11.85. Here is the sales order. Add my item. I'm going to order 55. Go into configure. Now, this price right now is not correct. But when I come over here to the configurator, you can see that it is the correct price. If I go back to the sales order and do recalculate prices, I will get the correct price. It just picked it up from zero at $10 before, did not recalculate. Let's go ahead and finish the configuration, starting off with a two-color, and then our price range. You can see we're going to end up at the $11.85 price. So I've got my selections of how many colors and then the quantity range. Now, unfortunately, I cannot prompt this to bring in the 55 quantity I have set over here on the line and auto-populate this. This is a manual selection. I'll finish that, come back to the order, and you'll see now we're at $11.85. I did this in 2 steps, just like it's laid out on this little price list. I have created a price class, and I assign the customer to this wholesale price class. I think this is appropriate because we want to be able to have different tiers of customers. So online versus wholesale versus something else, we can have a different starting price. And then the configurator will add the labor on to top of whatever we're starting with here. So you can see I've just got $10 and so on to match this with our price quantity breaks. All right, our next setup was the configurator itself, where we can see the one color, two color selections. And this allows me to break this down into the different groups. So as I click on the 3 color, I've got a different price structure for each of these sections. So it follows that labor add-on. So those are the setups, and we do get the $11.85 result. That's price roll-up using Product Configurator.